squirrels. I don't get video squirrels now. Oh, nice gloomy day today. Nice rainy, windy, cool. Wonder how the garden's going. Haven't been in there so long.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah.
Chilly, eh?
Yeah, it's yesterday was so nice. Now it's like winter now. I hear music and I don't hear it. Don't see anybody.
A little bit of that.
Holy. But yeah, everybody knows where I'm probably going to go play a ticket. Try to win some money. So who do you think? Carolina or Leafs?
Leaf.
Yeah, I think.
We gotta win something, right?
Yeah, I don't know if it's.
Tonight, then I don't know.
Oh, the weather's changed so bad. But at least this is good breathing weather. It's nice. You got your puffer? Okay. Look, they got the trees all wrapped up.
Those are the ones they're cutting.
No,
Yeah.
they're saving them. Why would they wrap up a tree to cut? A lot of these trees are ancient.
Really?
Maybe this, do you see where the X is?
Yeah.
That could be the trees cutting, not the ones with the... Well, why would they... Exactly, it makes the air... That's what fertilizes the air. Makes it better to breathe, is the trees. It's actually cool out here.
So nice.
I like it. Holy. You could hear the wind. I'm glad nobody's trick-or-treats this year. Well, that's a nice little house, how they got trick-or-treated over there. Wow, I like that. Little trick-or-treat. I'm going to ask them who they are. Okay, who are you? I'm joking with you. Well, almost at the end of the line, everybody. Gonna sign off soon. Skies are pretty gloomy, dark. Storm's coming or something. Look how dark the clouds are. Yes, I'm a YouTuber, okay? Yo. I want to get the clouds. It's dark. I'm coming. Well, I want to sign off now. I just want to show you that looks like a storm's coming or something. God bless everybody. Signing off. I'm to Korea with love. Take care and God bless everybody. Bye-bye.